Cupcakes are popular desserts to serve at events as they are delicious and easy to serve. However, you may wonder, how long can cupcakes sit out? You want to avoid having cupcakes sit out too long as they can go stale. Since cupcakes are moist, this means that they can dry out easily if they are not properly covered. Though it is fine to let cupcakes sit out for a few hours uncovered, you do not want to let them sit out overnight uncovered. In general, you do not want to let cupcakes sit out for more than 6 hours uncovered. However, it is best to cover them with 3 to 4 hours of sitting out. How long do unfrosted cupcakes last covered? Unfrosted cupcakes can last covered for up to 2 to 3 days at room temperature. Anytime after that, you will want to freeze them or frost them. You can also place them in the fridge, but some bakers discourage this as it can cause some types of cupcakes to dry out if not properly stored. How long do frosted cupcakes last covered? Frosted cupcakes can last for up to 3 days covered at room temperature. After that, you can place them in the fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for about 3 months. Any cupcakes that contain perishable frosting or fillings should be kept covered in the fridge. What is the best way to store cupcakes? Most frosted and unfrosted cupcakes will do just fine stored at room temperature on your counter or stored in a cool, dry location. However, if you live in a warm, humid climate, it may be best to keep your cupcakes, whether frosted or unfrosted, in your fridge. Keeping cupcakes in the fridge. Most cupcakes will last 5 to 7 days in the fridge. Keep them in an airtight container or Ziploc bag to keep them fresh. How to freeze cupcakes. To freeze unfrosted cupcakes, allow the cupcakes to fully cool, then wrap each one in plastic wrap. Then, place the cupcakes in a Ziploc bag and carefully place the bag in the freezer, ensuring the cupcakes don't get crushed. For frosted cupcakes, place them in the freezer for 1 hour to let the frosting firm up. Then, carefully wrap them in plastic wrap and place them in an airtight container, or simply just place them in an airtight container. To thaw your cupcakes, let them sit at room temperature for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can also pop them in the fridge overnight or for a few hours to let them thaw. Keeping your cupcakes fresh. In most cases, cupcakes will only stay fresh for around 4 to 6 hours uncovered at room temperature. After that, they will begin to dry up and go stale, so be sure to keep them in an airtight container for up to 3 days at room temperature. For cupcakes with perishable fillings and frostings, don't keep them at room temperature for any more than 2 hours. Do you have any questions regarding how long can cupcakes sit out? If so, please ask your cupcake storage questions in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.